Hi, I'm Shane from shanesmithlaw. I'm here to talk to you today about a situation that comes up a lot of times when people call us early on in a case or even later on, and that's when clients feel like they want to settle their case early. And when I say early, I mean before you're all better. So sometimes in the very beginning, the insurance company will offer some money to a client to settle their case. They'll be like, should I take this, should I not? And our question is always, well, are you hurt? Are you still going to the doctor? And if the answer is yes, then our answer is always no, you shouldn't settle your case early. Or almost always. Occasionally there may be some circumstances, but usually that's only when there's an issue with the insurance policy. When insurance companies offer you money early to settle your case, it's because they don't want you to go to the doctor. Why? Because they're worried something else is more serious out there. They're worried you could have a bigger case. So they try to get you to settle early. When clients talk to us about settling their case early, we always want to know, are you better? And if you're still going to the doctor, our answer almost always is going to be no, don't settle your case early. Let's get you well. Let's get you better. As an attorney, it's hard for me to evaluate your case and tell you what it's worth until you're all better. Why? Because I don't know how long it took you to get better. I don't know the extent of your injuries. I can't know any of that until the doctors say you're all better, or at least till we're significantly into the case and we know what your injuries are. So we're not going to recommend that you settle your case early under most normal circumstances. Also, an issue occurs sometimes is if you settle your case and you stop going to the doctor, or if you stop going to the doctor and your injuries come back up, it's very difficult to tie that back to the original accident because there's a big gap, and also because went into negotiation. So it looks like you just didn't like the offer, so you wanted to go back to the doctor. So we're always going to encourage you, get better, go to the doctor, finish treating, and then let's settle your case. Also, by stopping your treatment, it pretty much says to a jury or an adjuster that you're all better. So for those reasons, we're going to be very cautious about stopping your treatment and trying to settle your case before you're all better and before you're healed up, because that's what we never want, is somebody to continue to be hurt and not be able to get them fair compensation for their injuries. Once you settle your case too, it usually cuts off any future medical care. So you're not going to be able to get any other bills paid, any future care taken care of by the insurance company. So you're going to be left taking responsibility for that and paying that out of your pocket. So we're not going to recommend that to most of our clients. Once again, I'm Shane from shanesmithlaw. If you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
980-999-9999. 980-999-9999. Shane Smith Law. In pain, call Shane.